AI Generate SVG by SVG.la is a newly released AI tool that's making waves in the design world. If you're looking to create scalable vector graphics, SVGs, quickly and effortlessly, this software is definitely something you need to check out. Stick around as I break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software to decide if it's worth your time. First off, you can try AI Generate SVG by SVG.la completely free. So if you're curious, don't hesitate to use the first link below to give it a go. Now, let's dive right into the details. One of the most impressive features of this tool is its ability to generate SVG files from simple text prompts. You simply type in a description or concept, and the AI processes it into a vector graphic. This means you don't need to be a graphic designer to get professional-looking results. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this AI takes care of the technicalities, leaving you with a high-quality SVG in seconds. Second, the AI generates customizable SVGs, giving you flexibility over the designs it creates. You can tweak colors, sizes, and even specific elements within the graphic. This level of customization is perfect if you need a design that fits your specific needs, but without having to start from scratch or spend hours refining it. Now, if you're a marketer, content creator, or web designer, you know how valuable time is. With AI Generate SVG, you can save a ton of time that would normally go into designing or editing SVGs manually. This AI tool streamlines the whole process, letting you focus on other important tasks while it generates the design for you. Another feature that sets this AI apart is its ability to generate complex illustrations without the need for external design tools. Most traditional design software requires a learning curve or technical skills, but with AI Generate SVG, it's all about simplicity. The AI's deep learning capabilities make it possible to create intricate, professional designs that would normally require years of experience. If you're concerned about the quality of the SVGs, let me assure you, this tool doesn't skimp on quality. The output is clean and scalable, meaning it's ideal for use in everything from websites to print materials. Whether you're using the graphics for digital or physical products, they will look sharp at any size, which is crucial when working with vector graphics. The sixth thing you should know is the speed. AI Generate SVG by SVG.la isn't just a convenient tool, it's fast. With most design tools, the process of creating something custom can take minutes or even hours. But with this software, you'll have your SVG in a matter of seconds. It's all about efficiency, and this AI delivers it without sacrificing quality. Lastly, the platform is intuitive and user-friendly. No prior design knowledge is necessary to get started. This is important because many AI tools out there have steep learning curves, but with this one, you can start generating SVGs right away with just a few clicks. It's a great choice for anyone who needs graphics, but doesn't want to deal with complicated software. If you want to try it for yourself, again, check the first link below. After experimenting with thousands of AI tools, I've seen some impressive ones, but AI Generate SVG by SVG.la stands out for its simplicity, speed, and powerful results. I've also got a list of my recommended AI tools in the description below, and yes, you can try them all for free too. So if you're looking to supercharge your creative process, I definitely recommend giving this one a shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.